Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to find and share Facebook QR code. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also share your Facebook QR code, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Facebook, then search here QR code. In this you can see here QR code. Open this option. You can scan QR code from here. Then you can see here my code. Press on this. Add friends easily by sharing code. Below is your personal code. You can share this QR code any social media platform. Just press on share. Now you can share where you want. That's it guys. So in this you share your Facebook personal QR code. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.